pag-uusapan natin ay isang personal loan coming from a legit bank. So, previously, if you're following me, napag-usapan na natin ang personal loan coming from BPI, East West, Unibank, yan, Como, ayan. So, napag-usapan na natin yung mga yan. But this time, ang pag-usapan natin is napaka-legit na bank. And sa pagiging super legit niya, gusto nating malaman kung mahirap bang mag-apply at ma-approve dito kay BDO ng isang personal loan. Kung gusto niyo malaman yan, pati yung interest and kung yung tenure ng pagbabayad, samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron akong experience. Ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so if you are in the market looking for a personal loan, hindi yung mga online lending apps. Kasi yung mga online lending apps, mga quick fix lang yun At saka maliliit yung amount. Well, may ino-offer si BDO ng personal loan na sa tingin ko okay naman yung rates niya and yung tenure niya. So, kaya natin ito nire-review today para magkaroon kayo ng additional option sa existing na Uno Now loan, Tonic loan. Kasi 'di ba, usually kapag sinabi natin mga traditional banks, parang ang hirap umutang sa kanila ng pang-personal loan. So, i-dissect natin one by one and alamin natin yung interest. Punta tayo sa website ng BDO para makita natin yung ina-advertise nila tungkol sa personal loan nila. Okay, so punta lang kayo dito sa bdo.com.ph and then punta kayo sa personal and then loans. Ayan, pag nandito na kayo sa loan, makita nyo personal loan. Ayan. Nakalagay dito, sabi ni BDO, yan, bring your plans to life with BDO personal loan. Enjoy low interest rate and easy payment terms on your financing needs. Well, halos pare-pares naman sila, mga ganun yung mga advertisement nila. So, ano sabi niya? Why choose BDO personal loan daw? So, yun nga, enjoy low interest rate and easy payment. So, makikita natin kung gaano kaliit ang interest rate niya. Loan amount avail cash up to 2 million. But, sinasabi ko nga, hindi naman natin nare-reach yan kadalasan kasi it depends on our income and our credit score. So, flexible payment terms, available daw na 6, 12, 18, 24, and up to 36 months. So, isa to sa kinagandahan ni BDO Personal Loan kasi up to 36 months pwede nating i-avail yung loan tenure na yan. Lastly, meron daw siyang top-up loan feature. Ito naman, kahit na meron kang existing loan, yan, pwede ka pang mag-loan ulit as long as okay ang credit standing mo. And syempre, nakapagbayad ka na ng 10 to 12 months na yung nabayaran mo para makapag-reloan ka ulit on top of your existing loan. I'm really after dito sa interest rate. So, check na natin yung interest rate. Okay. So, right from their website, meron na silang calculation ng interest rate. So, ito, pag tenure daw is 6 months, ito yung monthly add-on interest rate which is 1.30%. And then, kapag 12 to 36 months, ang interest rate niya is 1.25%. Siyempre, kada tumatagal, mas malaki ang interest na kailangan nating bayaran. So, ito yung effective interest rate niya per annum sa 1.30, 26.27%, sa 12 months naman, 26.63%, so on and so forth, hanggang 25.98%. So, mag-sample compute tayo para makita natin kung kaya ba natin magbayad ng ganyan on a monthly basis. Okay, sabi dito, ito, key in your desired loan amount. So, try natin 100,000. Okay, so 100,000 daw, monthly amortization natin for 6 months, that's 17,966.73. So, sabi dito, 17,966.73. So, i-multiply natin yan sa 6 months times 6 months, it would give us around 107,800. Parang, di ba, okay na, parang 7,000 lang babayaran mo for 6 months and nakautang ka ng 100,000. I-check naman natin 12 months at saka 36 months. So, sa 12 months, ang babayaran natin ay 9,583.71 times 12, it would give us around 115. O yeah, parang dinoble lang natin yung interest dahil kanina ng 6 months. Pero, para sa akin guys, medyo reasonable naman tong interest rate na babayaran natin with BDO. So, sa 100,000 sa 36 months, 100,000, 4,028.01 times 36 months, it would give us around 145,000. So, 45,000 ang interest natin. So, i-calculate natin yan. Kunin natin yung percentage. So, kung i-divide natin yan by 100,000, around 45% yung kabuwang interest rate niya for 3 years. Pero kung kukunin naman natin yung per annum niya, so divide by natin siya by 3, lalabas na around 15,000 ang interest natin per year, di ba? Katulad ng calculation natin kanina. So, 15,000 over 100,000. So, that's 15% per annum lang, di ba? Parang hindi naman tayo sinasamantala. Okay. So, paano ba maging eligible kay BDO Personal Loan? Okay, kay BDO Personal Loan, ito daw yung requirements. So, kailangan 21 years old ka at the time of application and not more than 60 years old upon loan maturity. Applicant must be a Filipino citizen or foreigner who is a resident in the Philippines with a minimum gross fixed monthly income of 15,000 for salaried employee and 35,000 for self-employed or business. Regular employees or self-employed with a business operating of at least 2 years. O yan. So, kailangan regular employee ka na or yung business mo ay 2 years na nag-ooperate. One landline number in either residence or place of work or a mobile number na postpaid. And then, residence or office must be within any area where BDO branch is located. As usual, since this is a bank, then maraming requirements ang required. Maswerte ang mga employees kasi readily available most of the documents naman kasi it would be coming from the HR. So, ang kailangan is proof of identification. Siyempre, government valid IDs yan. Proof of income for salary, the latest ITR, full month payslip, yan. COE, and kung may credit card ka, last 2 credit card statement na at least 1 year. For self-employed professional naman, ganun din, syempre latest ITR and audited financial statement, registration of business, so ito yung DTI or SEC, latest 3-month bank statement, so syempre yung kita ng business doon pinapasok, so kailangan makita nila yung bank statement ng business mo. And then, if your requested loan amount is more than 1 million daw, 3 months bank statement and at least 1 trade reference and GIS if it's a company. So, medyo kapag talaga, napag-usapan na natin to na kapag business, mas madaming documents versus sa mga regular employees. Well, again, that is the fact of life. Okay, kung meron ka na niyang requirements na yan, paano kayo mag-a-apply? Well, online application, di actually online meron, magda-download ka ng form and then once you download the form, fill it out and then you need to submit the loan and the form sa nearest BDO branch na makikita nyo. So basically, dun tayo sa BDO branch magpapasa ng application form and ng mga requirements. So paano ba natin malalaman? Well, magsi-CI din sila and then tatawagan tayo and then makaka-receive na lang tayo ng text message na na-approve yung loan natin or hindi. Pag na-approve yung loan natin, makakatanggap tayo ng SMS and then eventually tatawagan tayo ni BDO to complete the processing ng ating loan application. Sa pagbabayad naman, it is automatic debit arrangement. So basically, gamit ang iyong BDO account, ide-debit doon or ikakaltas doon yung bayad mo on a monthly basis. So now, kung i-compare natin yan sa mga personal loan, kamusta si BDO Personal Loan? Under personal loan category, unang-una pa rin si BPI at 14.40% per annum. Then sunod na si BDO Personal Loan at 15% per annum. And then followed by Union Bank at 16, then East West at 21, and so on and so forth. Yan. So basically, sa personal loan category, pumapangalawa sa na-review na natin si BDO. Mayroong best na interest offering pa rin right now for personal loan is BPI. If you want to watch my review about the BPI personal loan, so check nyo na itong video na to and yung link nasa baba na rin. Yan, nakikita nyo na kung ano ang conclusion ko kung self-employed and business. Medyo mahirap. Kung gusto nyo i-push through, go ahead, punta kayo sa branch para ma-assist kayo ng mga bank associates. Okay, so for our question of the day. So napansin nyo, di ba, na malalaking banks na tong BPI and BDO. But sa tingin nyo, saan kayo mas komportable mag-bank? Whatever services yan, savings, loan, etc. Saan kayo mas comfortable mag-bank? Mas okay ba sa inyo ang BPI or BDO? And bakit? Let me know sa comment section sa baba para sa chance nyo pa rin manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And also, huwag nyo kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag road to 75k subs and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance to win naman ng isang cellphone sa ating cellphone giveaway once you reach the 75k subscriber milestone. So yun lang muna po for today's video. But before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at Jerry Casio 3893. Ang sabi niya, hashtag road to 75k subs. Useful kayo mag-information loads. Thank you. at Jerry Casual 3893. Maraming salamat po sa continued support at panonood sa aking mga videos. Thank you very much. So yun lang muna po for today's video. I hope you could like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para ma-receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!